Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put fractions on iPhone calculator. So first of all, what you have to do is unlock your iPhone and open the calculator app on your iPhone. Once the app has been opened, you'll be able to see the basic layout of calculator. To turn on the fractions on this calculator, what you have to do is turn your iPhone into the landscape mode. If you are not able to turn your iPhone into the landscape mode, what you have to do is go to your control center and turn off the lock of the orientation. Once you turn it off, and then if you try to rotate your iPhone will be landed on the landscape mode. So in the landscape mode, you have to select the option of the calculator icon, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. Click on it, and on this section you will be able to see a bunch of more options. Here you have to select scientific. Once you click on the scientific mode, then you will be able to see all of the fractions, and you'll be easily able to put fractions on iPhone calculator with this advanced calculator mode. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.